Welcome to Rob and Maria Trading. Today we're going to go over two debit spreads that we're actually putting on our funds in just a few minutes.
We have two NVDA bullish trades. Earnings, as you know, is Wednesday after close. The optimal entry for these debit spreads is today at close, right? Well, before closing, 3:30 to 3:45. These are higher risk, so I would not do more than 1% of my portfolio. We are continuing to be bullish. The dark pool volume is still exploding to the upside. 50 plus trades are off the exchange. We don't see where they are. Big money is positioning. Institutions are pouring in money. NVIDIA moves big on earnings, so there's a lot of AI demand. The first one we're going to be doing, trade number one, is a call debit spread. This is for 1121 DTE. You're going to sell a 202.5 call. You're going to buy a 187.5 call. The credit's going to be 230 to 260, buying power over 268. You win, NVIDIA rises, is flat, or dips slightly. This is an easier one.
And here's what it looks like on the Tasty Trade platform. You can see you put on, you're going to sell the 2025, you're going to buy back the 187.50. You can see the max profit here is 10.98 and our buying power is 410.50 because it's a debit spread. And here's the risk analysis chart. Again, same thing. And you can see that the buying power is only 410, but we got a great home run win here of 10.98.
Trade number two is a call credit spread. You're going to buy a 190 call and sell a 205 call. Debit is around $4, $4.05, depending on where you get it in. Max profit is $1,100. Your break even is $195. I consider this a home run play. It's like a lotto ticket. It's high risk, but high reward.
And again, here's what we're taking a look at in the Tasty Trade platform. You're going to see you're going to sell that 205. You're going to buy the 190. You got a max profit of 10.95 with a 405 buying power and max loss. And then here's your risk analysis sheet as well.
Best time to enter these spreads, again, the end of today for the debit spreads. NVIDIA feels tight. I always go for more than the midpoint. A few cents to squeeze it out of them. Again, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. And these are actual trades we're going to be putting into our funds today.
So I hope you have a great trading day. If you get a chance to get into NVIDIA,
good luck, happy trading, and may NVIDIA bless you with all green candles.
I never heard you say that before. That's great. We don't ask for any payment. If you could, in the comments below, tell us any topics you want us to cover in the future. Thanks a lot and have a great trading day.
Have fun.